Yo guys, so I just want to start off this video by thanking everyone that has entered the Polo 6W RC front bumper giveaway. The winner will be announced later this month, so please put on your notifications so you guys can be notified if you are the winner. I'd also just like to thank everyone that has actually made contact with me and have made purchases of the new products that I'm now selling. What I'm also going to do right now is just show you guys what the bumper actually looks unboxed as well as assembled. So this is the box that the bumper will come in. As you guys are aware, I'm actually selling these bumpers as well. However, this specific bumper I'll be giving away to one of you guys. So I'll put the information in the description as to how you guys can actually win this bumper. What we're also going to do is maybe fit the bumper for you as well as color code it. Maybe just do a little bit of a YouTube video on it as well. So besides the Polo 6 front bumper giveaway, I've been thinking I want to do a giveaway for my Honda guys as well. So after this video is uploaded, I'm going to put up a poll on Instagram and you guys can basically vote as to what you guys would actually want me to give away. I'm heading towards maybe giving you guys some ARC coilovers, maybe fitting it and doing a review on it as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section as well. And then without further ado, let's start this video. Yo my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So I actually lost the beginning footage of this video, so I'm actually forced to actually make another intro today. However, what we do have planned, or what you guys are going to see in the video, is basically me swapping out the Yaris' wheels and putting it onto the EG and the EG's wheels onto the Yaris. So as you guys know, the Yaris has a bad rep, I would say, of fault. However, just to change it up, I'm going to remove the center caps, and then what I did was I got decal from a friend of mine, Eric, the sticker guy. Got some decal for the rims, so the rims will look completely different. Another thing I also got from Eric is this mug. So this mug he actually gave me. What I do plan on doing is maybe doing a giveaway for you guys. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but this mug I'm going to give to you, one of you guys. So thanks a lot, Eric, for giving me that mug so I can give it to one of the viewers. I appreciate it a lot. But yeah guys, in this video what happens is I was supposed to go to a hookup, and then the hookup was like a elite hookup where there was no flyer, etc. Anyway, in the first section of the video we changed the rims, but we don't really have enough time to fit the other set. And then later in the video I actually fit the whole rims, and I tried to do some cinematics just to show you guys the overall look on both cars. But yeah guys, without further ado, I'm going to continue this video. Hey guys, so this is actually what the spoon rims looks like on the Yaris. I must actually say I kind of like it, the whole black look. It's looking pretty good. And then my speaker rings, which were purple, I'm just spraying them black. What I also decided to do is, seeing that we're running a little bit late, I'm only going to fit the one side, and then by next week I'll fit the other side as well. Or I'm just going to see what it looks like and then take it from there. Okay guys, so this is actually what the EG looks like. I'm actually very impressed, and I think I might be running these wheels for some time. I'm not a big fan of the tires, however. I might just go with a bigger set of tire as well, but I'm actually really liking the way it looks. Looks pretty good. And then in future I might just change these lugs as well. But yeah, the car's looking good. It's already almost 6:30, so unfortunately I won't be able to actually change the other side as well. So I do have my friend Kirk here. He's here with his MR2, his K20 MR2. So me and him is basically gonna mob it out till there, and then just see what other cars are there as well. I'm just gonna jump in the shower, and then we can bust the move. Hey guys, so this is also Kirk's MR2. Like I showed you guys on the channel before. Also has a K20 in. I'll maybe show you guys later. I'll show you guys some rollers as well of the car. As you guys can see, LA Racing. Yo guys, so it is the next day. I didn't really film anything by the hookup. It was kind of dark as well. However, what we do plan on doing today is basically just finishing up the wheel swap on the EG as well as the Yaris as well. So I'm just going to pull out the EG and then we can get started. Hey guys, so this just happened. I think these wheels are actually made tight with a power tool or something, because they are extremely tight. So this basically broke. It's crazy actually. Okay guys, so actually after putting on these rims, I've been contemplating of actually spraying the overspray like this over here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the wheels again off, and then I'm going to spray all this overspray black so that it doesn't look that bad. I think this has to remain white because obviously that's still the car's color. This I'm also going to spray as well. I was actually going to do it in future, maybe when I do the calipers or something, but I might as well do it now. I know yesterday I didn't have much time, so this actually means that I have to do the exact same thing that I'm going to do on this side, on the other side as well. Let me just check how bad it is on this side. Okay, so this side actually doesn't look that bad. Actually doesn't look bad at all. So in actual fact, it's mainly only this side that needs to be done. So I might as well do it. I'm just going to take the rims off, and then we can just maybe put something in over here, and then we can spray this black. I did try to sandpaper it, but that doesn't do a good effect, so I'm gonna rather spray it black so it looks fresh as well. Guys, so this is what the Yaris looks like. Actually very happy with the outcome. As you guys can see, it's much more darker in here, looks a little bit fresh. What I might just do in future is actually I might just spray everything black, because I think it will look much cleaner. It might even give the car more a lower look, or give the illusion that it's lower, but looks pretty good, looks much cleaner than before. Doesn't look like the car was resprayed or anything. So as you guys can see, the side, I did actually run out of black paint. The side isn't really needed, but when I do plan on doing the calipers or something, I'm going to do everything black, so that it just has a much more cleaner look. And then I am running through a little bit of an issue with the EG. So these are very cheap. These are actually fake, so I'm actually having trouble with a few of them, like this one over here. So as you guys can see, it kind of breaks off there. So what happens, it leaves basically the leftovers on the thread, so that causes you to not be able to actually put on another lug. So what a lot of people assume is that you have to then replace this, but I figured a way out to actually fix that. So what I basically did was I used a flat like this, and then what I basically did was I basically just chipped it away, and then it basically comes out. I already started with the section over here, so what I am going to do is maybe just continue, and then hopefully there will be enough thread on. And then also guys, I'm in need of these. I do plan on changing to original lugs, but these usually come out in a lot, because obviously some cars come with 5 studs. So if you guys do have a spare, like 2 or 3 laying around, please let me know. It's just temporary before I actually do order me some original lugs. So yeah, please guys, let me know in the comment section, or maybe just DM me on Instagram. Okay guys, so as you guys have seen in the video, I actually dropped this rim. However, it wasn't really badly damaged. I think it's just that mark over there. However, this whole set is actually damaged, so our plan was to actually spray these rims anyway. However, moving forward, we are going to try something new, myself and Dane. So you guys can just stay tuned for that. We're just going to try something very different that I haven't actually seen anyone try before. So that is up and coming. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I managed to finish up both cars. This is what the Yaris looks like. These are my spoons. I think these are 7.5J. That's why they are a little bit wider than the forks. And then also I have the Dunlop decal on that I have around, I think it could be 3, 4, 5 years. That's why they are actually a bit worn out. The Yaris actually looks pretty good. You can actually see kind of how wide it is over here. And then coming to the EG, you guys can see this rim is a little bit more sunk than what the spoon is. The benefit of this is what I might just do is maybe even lower the car, because I have so many space now here. My fenders are in the roll, so I might just leave the rear this height, but I think I'm going to slam the front just to see what it's going to look like. But I'm actually happy with the outcome. If you guys do like the outcome of what the EG or the Yaris looks like, please do give this video a thumbs up. Also mention in the comment sections, do you guys actually prefer the forks on the EG, or do you prefer the spoons on the EG? I'm also going to leave the car like this because I actually have to remove the front bumper, but I'll explain maybe in the next video why the front bumper is going to be removed. But yeah, I'm actually very happy with the outcome. It's crazy how this rims can actually change just by fitting the decal on it and removing the center cap as well. So moving forward, there is some changes going to be done to the EG. Like I said, I might just lower this even more than it is currently lowered right now. So yeah guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I didn't really have much time to actually film yesterday because of a slight deadline of obviously having to go to that hookup. But yeah, also didn't manage to film anything there, but it was cool actually hanging with a lot of old friends and catching up with them as well. What we do plan on doing is another hookup like this. So this hookup is more like, it doesn't have a flyer or anything. We don't really, how can I say, post it. You will basically just get a message to let you know what location it's going to be at. So it's like kind of an elite cars that we would or they would actually like to be there. And then it will be actually cool. Maybe I can, like, how can I say, get some YouTubers or videographers or photographers to do some coverage on those type of hookups as well. But yeah guys,